In the games this year, the Falcons games, there was not a missed field goal in this stadium. A couple of PATs that were missed, but all kickers, Falcons and opponents, 31 of 31. Gostkowski from 46 outs. Did you do it to him again? Don't blame the announcer. Gostkowski. No good.
This is a Fitbit 3. I bought it on Amazon back in 2020. And if you notice on the screen, there's lines on it now. I changed the clock face. They said that may be some of the issues. But now I've got lines through the face of it. And some of the options don't seem to work anymore. Like your pulse. Nope, doesn't even pick it up. And it keeps blinking like this. See? It's only a year old. Didn't last long. Bugger.